We're going to do a treble crochet. We're going to make a slip knot to put on our hook. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Take your hook and pull the yarn through. Catch the end and pull. You can, if you're a complete beginner, just tie it on like this. You can just put it on your hook like this and tie. It works just the same. Put your yarn over your hook and pull through that loop. That's you made your first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. We're going to do a foundation chain. Whenever you do a foundation chain, don't do it too tight. Pull through. So I've done a chain. Now this is a loop on your hook. You never ever count that as a stitch. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook twice, 1 and 2. So it looks like you've got 3 loops on your hook, 1, 2 and 3. We're going to go into the 5th stitch in the foundation chain. Do not count the stitches on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go in to the stitch, pull your yarn through, put your yarn over, so now it looks as if you've got 4 loops on your hook plus your yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Now the chain stitches that we missed becomes a treble crochet. The treble crochet stitch is twice the height of a double crochet stitch. So wrap the yarn twice around your hook so it looks like you have 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Go through the next stitch and pull your yarn through. So you have 4 loops on your hook. You yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's got your next stitch. Yarn around the hook twice into the next stitch and pull through. Yarn over, come through 2 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over and through 2 loops. We'll work our way to the end of the line. So I'm on my last stitch. Yarn around my hook twice, through the last stitch, pull through, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over and through 2 loops. Now you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to turn your work and into the next stitch, not the one that's right down here, not here. You only go into that stitch when you're doing a single crochet. Move to the next stitch, yarn over twice and through that stitch, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over and through your last 2 loops. Now that chain of 4 becomes a treble crochet. Now this is a really big stitch. It crochets up really fast. Excellent for scarves, for hats, and for blankets and afghans. You'll continue along your row. Now I'm on my last stitch, yarn over twice. Now this is the chain of 4. Count 1, 2, 3 and 4 into that 4th chain in that long stitch. Pull through and build your treble crochet. You're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn your work and work back along the other side. And you get this lovely long stitch. Skip this very first space. Go into the next space, around your hook twice and pull through. So into the last stitch, count 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Into that 4th chain, do your last treble crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn your work. And that is how you do a treble crochet stitch. Now I've showed you how to do a foundation chain, a single crochet, a double crochet and now the treble crochet. From now on, our tutorials, I'm going to show you how to make some projects with these basic stitches. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon and YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial.